Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all well in this situation. Today I am going to show you how to make this simple product card with HTML and CSS. So without any delay, let's start the tutorial. First of all, inside this folder create index.html and create style.css. Now open text editor and open this folder in text editor. Now create a simple HTML structure and give it a title named product card UI design with HTML and CSS. Beginner tutorial number 08. Now link the style.css file and create a section called main class and create a div called card class and take a image. Now for image create a folder called img and paste the copied image in this folder. Now inside this img tag link this image Now create a div called product name price. Inside this div take two h2 tag called first one called product name and give it a name called Nike Sports, and second one is for product price. Give it a price. I'm giving $99.99 and the dollar sign take it in span tag. Now take a anchor tag and name the class of this anchor tag. Anchor tag is buy now. Now open this HTML file in the browser. Now in a new tab type fonts.google.com and search for pop-ins. Inside this select all options. Now from embed tab copy all import CSS text and paste it here. Now make all the margins 0 and padding 0. And inside body margin 0, padding 0, and font family will be pop-ins, and without internet connection that would be sans ref. Now target the main class. Now make width 100%, height 100 px and background linear gradient 30 degree, and type this color what I'm typing and type this color what I'm typing. Now refresh this, you can see nice gradient background. Now create target card class and not display flex, it is wrong. Width 350 pixel, height 450 pixel. Inside the main class display will be flex, justify content center, and align item will be center. Now inside class card class background will be this, and border radius will be 20 pixel. Now overflow, now hidden the overflow hidden. Now position relative for all absolute position, z index 1, text align center. Now make a before for card class, content will be blank, width will be 100%, height will be 100%, up will be minus 50 pixel, percent, left will be 0, background will be this, z index -1, and position absolute. Now transform skew y minus 15 degree. Now transition 0.3 as well, all easy. Now when cart hover, then before top will be minus 60% and transform will be skew 15 degree, positive 15 degree. You can see this nice animation. Now target image inside cart, width will be 80%, position will be absolute, top will be 0, left will be 50%, transform will be translate minus 50% and 0. Padding top will be 10 pixel and transition will be 0.3 as all easy. Now when cart hover, then img width 60%, transform translate minus 50%, 0 and rotate 15 degree. You can see this nice animation. Now when dot cart and dot product name price, target this product name price class under this div. Position will be absolute, bottom 0, left 50%, transform translate minus 50%, and transition 0.3 as all easy. Now dot cart when hover, product name price will be bottom 15%. Sorry, I did a mistake. I will change this end to dollar icon. Now inside cart class and inside product name price class, target the product name and give a color this and font weight 600 and font size 20 pixel. Refresh this. Sorry, I did a mistake. Give it 28 pixel. Nice. Now copy this and paste it here and change name to price and give it a color of white and font size will be 17 pixel and font weight will be 600. Nice. Now copy this and paste it here and target the span. Color will be red type color #FF466 and font size will be 22 pixel and padding left will be 3 pixel. You can see. Nice. Now we'll target this anchor tag. Now inside cart, inside buy now, display will be inline block and padding will be 10 pixel, 25 pixel and border radius will be 50 pixel and background will be this and color will be white and text decoration will be none and font size will be 15 pixel, font weight will be 500 and position will be absolute, bottom will be minus 50%, left will be 50%, transform will be translate minus 50% and outline will be none and transition will be 0.3 as all easy. Now for view the button, make bottom 0%. Now make it again minus 50%. So this will be gone to the bottom. Now when the buy now will hover, then background will be white and color will be this. And now when cart is hover, then the buy now will be bottom 5%. So we are finished. You can see this nice hover animation Thanks for watching. If you have any problem in this video, then comment down below. If you learned something from our tutorial, then like our video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, for that you can get regular update from our channel. Stay happy, stay cool.